I'm Munjal Sanghavi. I'm the Director of Industrial Sustainability for Salas O'Brien. I was born in Mumbai, India, and immigrated to US right out of college. So I did my graduate program here in New Jersey and my master's mechanical engineering. During my experience with industry, when I saw a lot of manufacturing process in the plant, I saw many opportunities for improvement on energy and water footprint. This led me to obtain Certified Energy Manager's certification, and past 12 years I've been involved in the industry related to energy and water footprint, coming up with a lot of capital projects and helping them improve their energy and water footprint. I love the subject, I have a passion for that, and it gives me a purpose in life. Tremendous opportunity exists today with all corporations related to sustainability. They are all required to reduce their energy and water footprint over the years, beginning now till 2035 to 2050. They all have self-imposed aggressive goal to minimize or reduce their energy and water footprint. Salas O'Brien can help them in this arena. We can become the partner with these corporations and help them show the path to net zero carbon. I love playing pickleball, ping pong. I walk every day about 4 miles. I love to hike. I love bike riding.